Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to know who viewed your WhatsApp story and explain how you can easily check your status viewers. This video will guide you through the exact steps inside WhatsApp. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the Updates tab. This section is used to create, view and manage all your WhatsApp status posts. Step 2. Look at the top of the Updates screen to find the status you have already uploaded. This area displays your active status that is currently visible to your contacts. Step 3. Tap on your uploaded status to open it. This lets you see the story exactly as your contacts see it when they view your status. Step 4. While the status is open, tap on the bottom left corner where the view count appears. This number shows how many people have seen your story and opens the viewer details. Step 5. After tapping the view count, you will see a list of people who viewed your status along with the time they viewed it, which is the only information WhatsApp provides for status views. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.